Hi everyone, welcome here, welcome back, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, welcome, and if you're old here, you're always welcome, as you know. So it's been a while since I made cooking videos, so I thought I'll make one today. And I found this viral video of a dish that's originated from Finland, and apparently because of this dish most of the grocery stores ran out of feta cheese, so I just had to try it out and it is amazing. Now I know why the stores ran out of feta cheese, because it's not only a easy dish and it tastes very good. So I tried it out, and but I forgot to add one ingredient, which I'll tell you later. But yeah, the dish came out very well and I had to share this with you. And it's basically a dish that you have to make it in the oven, but for the benefit of everybody else who don't have an oven, I made it on the stove using a normal vessel. You can use any pan that you have and make this. So I customized it like that for the benefit of others. So I just hope you like this video and I hope you try this out, and it's so easy to make. You can make it anytime and enjoy it. So I hope you enjoy this. Today I'm going to show you how I made this dish. It's so simple and easy, it tastes amazing and it smells divine. It is a must try dish. You're really going to enjoy this. If you need a pan or a vessel, a pan will be more preferred, and you need about 250 grams of cherry tomatoes. Do not skip on this, do not substitute it, because it has a beautiful tangy taste that you require in this dish. And then olive oil is compulsory again because it gives that beautiful flavor that this dish requires. You just have to eyeball everything into it. You don't have to follow recipes per se. You just have to know the ingredients that goes into the dish, and you just can eyeball everything in. It is as easy as that, and that makes this dish even more better. I haven't added any non-veg to this dish. If you want, you can add any non-veg of your choice to this dish, but keep in mind that the taste will vary. So this is the basic dish. If you want, you can customize it however you want, but it's amazing as it is. So it's all up to you. ingredients and more to this recipe will be in the description box, so do have a look. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you do try this dish out because it's amazing. It's not only easy, but it tastes amazing. So, and also the ingredient that I missed out was basil. So towards the end, after you cook it, you can, or towards the end of the dish, when you put the garlic, you can add some basil to your choice of taste. So yeah, I didn't have basil, so I couldn't add it. Or else you can add it to after it's cooked, you can just garnish the dish with basil. It gives a little different taste. So I hope you try it out, and if you don't have basil, you can cook it without it like I did. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you try it out and enjoy eating it. It is to go dish when you're not feeling like cooking, basically. And yeah, I hope you enjoy this. So as always, live life and love life. I'll see you soon. Bye.